Good morning everyone. So yesterday we dealt with few questions based on linear equation, and today we are again going to deal with four different kind of questions based on linear equation. I request you that the questions that are solved in this video, please write it down in the classwork copy with proper questions, and the questions that are provided to you as PDF in the form of homework, please do it in the homework copy with the questions. So let's start with the first question of the day. One day a boy walked from his house to his school at the speed of 4 km per hour and he reached 10 minutes late to the school. Next day he ran at the speed of 8 km per hour and was 5 minutes early to the school. Find the distance between his school and house. So let the distance between his house and school be x kilometer. In the first case, what is it? The distance is x, the speed is 4 km per hour. The formula of time is equal to distance by speed, that is x by 4 hours. Now in the first case he was 10 minutes late to the school. So the time taken by him is x by 4 is the usual time minus 10 by 60. Why 10 by 60? Because 10 minutes and we have to convert it to hour. When a minute is converted into hour, we divide it by the 60. The x by 4 minus 1 by 6. How did we get 1 by 6? We cancelled this 0 and this 0. The second case says the distance is x kilometer, the speed is 8 km per hour, the time is equal to distance by speed, we know the formula, and in this case the distance is x and the speed is 8. Again, in the second case it says that he reaches the school 5 minutes early, so we add 5 minutes to the usual time taken. Again the 5 minutes is converted into hours, so we write in the fraction 5 by 60. We reduce 5 by 60, we simplify it and we get 1 by 12 because 12 5 is 60. So now we can write it x by 8 plus 1 by 12. According to question, we have two equations now. First equation of the first case, x by 4 minus 1 by 6, and the second equation of the second case, x by 8 plus 1 by 12. So x by 4 minus x by 8. Why did we put minus x by 8 here? Because it is a variable and it has to be put in the one side. We are putting all the variables on the left hand side and all the constants at the right hand side. So as the variables or the constants move to the either of the sides, the side sign gets changed. Now 2x minus x by 8 is equal to 3 by 12. 2x minus x is 1x, we can write it as x. So x by 8 is equal to 3 by 12. Now we know that 3 by 12, when we reduce it we get 1 by 4. So 4x is equal to 8, x is again equal to 8 by 4, and while we cut 8 divided by 4, that is 2 km. So the second question of the day is A's salary is same as 4 times B's salary. Okay. Together they earn rupees 3750 a month, 3750 a month. Find the salary of each. Please note that in this question we don't know the B's salary or we don't even know A's salary. So we write let B's salary be rupees x, and as per the question it is mentioned that A's salary is same as 4 times B's salary. Okay, A's salary is 4 times the B's salary. So if B's salary is x, so A's salary will be 4 into x, so that is 4x. Okay. Now A's salary plus B's salary, because it says together they earn, so A's salary plus B's salary is equal to 3750. So A's salary is 4x, B's salary is x, 4x plus x is 3750, 4x plus x is 5x, that is equal to 3750. We calculate x, 3750 by 5, that is 750. We get B's salary is 750, and initially we understood that A's salary is 4 times the B's salary. So if B's salary is 750, A's salary will be 750 into 4, that comes to 3000. I hope you have understood the solution of question number 2. So in the third question, separate 178 into two parts so that the first part is 8 less than the twice of the second part. Okay. Understand that 178 has to be divided into two parts, in which the first part is 8 less than the twice the second part. What happens here? 178, let divide it into two parts. One will be x, because we don't know the first part, so we can assume it as x. The second part will be 178 by x minus x, sorry. So let the first part be x, again the second part is 178 minus x. I have told you again and again, when there is a constant and a variable and there is a minus or a plus sign in between of them, try to put in the bracket, so you will miss calculation error. Now twice the second part means Twice means 2 times. So 2 into 178 minus x. 2 into 178 is 356 minus 2 into x is 2x. According to question, the second part minus first part is 8. We know the second part is what? 356 minus 2x. So we mention it here. Again in bracket I have told you. Minus first part. The first part, we don't know the first part. We have assumed it as x. So we mention it as x here. Is equal to 8. So 356 minus 8. Now you might wonder, how did we get minus 8 here? See, the thumb rule of linear equation is we have to mention constant in one side and variable in other side. And if the variable and constant are in either of the sides, it has to be brought into the respective side by changing the signs if needed. So 356, here it was 8, we have to bring it to the left hand side. So the plus 8 becomes minus 8 is equal to x. So this minus x has to be brought right hand side, so it will become plus x and plus 2x. Why plus 2x? Because this minus 2x goes in the right hand side, becomes plus 2x. So 348 is equal to 3x, x is equal to 348 by 3, that is 116. So the first part, we know the value of x is 116 here. The second part, we have mentioned that 178 minus x. So 178 minus 116 gives us 62. So first part is 116 and the second part is 62. Now, in case if you want to check whether the solution that you have got is correct or not, what will you do? You will add the first part and the second part, and after adding the first part and the second part, you will check whether the answer is 178. Now, let's understand the fourth question of today. So, a rectangle's length is 5 cm less than twice its width. If the length is decreased by 5 cm and width is increased by 2 cm, the perimeter of the resulting rectangle is 74 cm. So, we have to find the length and width of the original rectangle. So, width, width means breadth of the rectangle. Okay. So, in a rectangle we know there are two sides, basically a length and a breadth. Okay. Now, we don't know the breadth. So, let the breadth or the width be x centimeter. Now, the length, we know that length is 5 centimeter less than twice its width. So, width is x. So, 2 into x is 2x minus 5 centimeter. Okay. The second case says that the length is decreased by 5 centimeter. So, the length was what? 2x minus 5. I have always told, when there is a variable and a constant and there is a minus or a plus sign between of them, please put them in bracket. So, 2x minus 5 in bracket minus 5 centimeter. Okay, because 5 is reduced, and the width or the breadth is increased by 2 centimeter. So, the width was x. So, if it is increased, again it is x plus 2. Now, the question says the perimeter of the rectangle's formula is 2 into L plus B. We know that L is length, B is breadth. So, 2 into the L found here is 2x minus 5 minus 5. The way it is written, please mention it in the same manner. You will not have calculation error then. Please put in bracket. So, this is the length part, this much, and this is the breadth part. Okay. We mentioned it here x plus 2, then we calculated 2 into 2x minus 5, we open it out from the bracket, minus 5 plus x plus 2 is equal to, in the bracket first calculated. So, 2x plus x is 3x. So, we write it here 3x, then minus 5 and minus 5 is how much? Minus 10. So, minus 10 plus 2 is how much? 8. So, 2 into 3x minus 8. So, again 2 into 3 is 6x minus 2 into 8 is 16. Now, 6x minus 16 is 74, because the value was told that the perimeter value is 74 in this case. 6x minus 16 is equal to 74. So, 6x is equal to 74 plus 16, because the linear equation rule says that the constant has to be brought in one side and the variable has to be brought in the other side. So, 6 is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 by 6, that is 15. So, width, if you remember, we assumed width as x. So, we got the value of x, means we got the value of width. So, width is 15 centimeter, and the length value we know that is twice the width minus 5, decreased by 5. So, 2 into 15 minus 5. So, 2 into 15 is 30 minus 5. You use the BODMAS rule here for multiplication and then subtraction. 30 minus 5, that is 25 centimeter. So, the width is 15 and the length is 25 centimeter. I hope you have understood the 4 questions very well. Please solve it in your classwork copy, and a homework based on these linear equation will be provided to you in the form of PDF. Thank you.